Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 21st of December 2018. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed to 100 Forex Pips, then first of all please subscribe the channel so that you can get the daily Forex trading analysis signals from my side. Okay, now let's get started with Great Britain Pound USD, and I'm going to take you towards the signals report so that we can discuss the today's signals that I have supplied in the morning. Okay, Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 1 to 6671 and 1 to 6984 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a big boost that was appeared right in the morning, and the market has hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report, 1 to 6984. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain Pound USD, they must have collected the massive profits. Okay, now let's talk about the big drop, and that big drop on Euro USD was already predicted by 200 Forex Pips in the morning. 114502 was the bearish entry and 114088 was the target price, and guys, you can see it has taken a smaller U-turn in the morning and finally it has went down, and you can see this is called a big drop, and Euro USD signal is 100% satisfied, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD, which is also the second signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish trend. Let me switch my chart. Okay guys, here we are. Okay, bearish trend was supplied from 067654 and 067207 is the target price, and guys, you can see we have a big drop on New Zealand USD and the market is almost near to the target price. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions today on New Zealand USD, they must have collected the massive profits. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. Easy signal was provided in the form of a bearish trend to the subscribers. 111371 was the bearish entry and 110760 is the target price. However, the target price is not met because we have not seen a very good momentum in the market for USD JPY. However, it has went so many pips down, and if you have traded USD JPY as per the recommendations of 200forexpips.com, then you must have collected a decent profit. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD CHF, and it was already predicted by 200forexpips.com in the morning in the form of a bullish trend. 098762 was the bullish entry and 099184 was the target price. And guys, clearly if you look at the pattern, it has made the bullish pattern. Here we have a break from the entry, and finally USD CHF has went so many pips up. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the profits on this pair. At last, I'm going to talk about another massive draw that we have seen on Euro JPY today. That's the second last signal of my signals report. I have supplied the bearish trend from 127558 and the target price was 127168, and guys, the big drop is here on the screen and you must have collected a decent profit with no problem. So guys, we have ended this week in a very good manner. Even December is not good for trading, but still we have managed to do our best, and we have taken our traders in a very right way. Even on Telegram, if you look at the Telegram channel, then we have given very successful signals. But on Fridays we are very conscious about giving the signals, because you know that volatility is always high on Fridays. So guys, must subscribe the channel. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. If you look at here, then the market started to gain the momentum from this area. So the market went up from the lower red boundary. So the lower red boundary indicates the oversold levels, and if the scalper gives you the buy signal in the form of white arrow in the oversold levels, then you need to buy the pair, and look how swiftly the pair has went up. And guys, if at the oversold level, if the scalper provides you the red signal, then do not trust this one, because you need to check it with the red boundary, that if it stands into the oversold levels as per the red boundary, then we cannot trust on the red arrows, we will trust on the white arrows. The market moved up, and when it gives the sell signal from the top, like for example, let's say before this drop it has given us a white signal, that's a buy signal, but it was at the overbought levels. We cannot buy at these levels because it was near to the red boundary, and blue boundaries also indicates the bearish pattern. So it has a drop, and after that scalper has also given the sell signal in the form of red arrow, and look how the market has went down. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. So guys, we have closed this week in a very excellent manner. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we we have just discussed. If you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.